Hello friends, and welcome to this tutorial on how to set my own scheme. We can use this option of my own scheme to define schemes according to ourselves. Like there's a formula for every scheme. So whenever you sell a product, so the software automatically calculates the scheme on the basis of that formula itself. But some businessmen provide scheme on their products according to themselves, for which they have to manually modify the scheme structure at the time of billing. But now you can predefine scheme according to your desired structure, which will auto-load at the time of billing, through which your time will be saved. So now let's implement this. So to define scheme, you'll go on Masters, Rate and Discount Master, and enter on My Own Scheme. Here you see we have already defined 9+1 scheme. Means if any customer purchases 9 items, so he'll get the scheme of 1 item free. And if he takes 1 item or product, so he'll get the free scheme of 0.23. And if he takes 2 items, so the software according to its formula will load scheme, because we haven't defined any scheme here. Similarly, if the customer purchases 3 products, and since we haven't defined any scheme, so the software will accordingly load scheme, because we haven't defined any scheme here. And if he takes 4 items or product, so that customer will get 0.26 scheme. In this way you can define scheme for 10 quantities. Now we'll save this by pressing the tab key and enter on yes. Now we'll go on Masters, Inventory Master, and enter on Item Master. Suppose we want that the scheme of 9+1 is loaded on elder wheat injection item. So you will press enter on it and define 9+1 in free scheme. Then accordingly select full scheme, half scheme, 1/3 scheme, whole scheme or no scheme. Now we select whole scheme. Then we'll save this. Now we'll create a sale bill and see, where we'll select elder wheat injection. Like we had defined 9+1 whole scheme, so here in quantity we'll feed 9 and see. So you see the scheme of 1 has auto-loaded. Now in quantity we'll feed 1 and see and press enter. Like we had defined the scheme of 0.23 along with 1 quantity in my own scheme. So here you see the scheme of 0.23 has auto-loaded. And if we sell 2 quantity, so the software according to itself will load the scheme of 0.20, because we did not define any scheme for 2 quantity. Then we'll press enter. Then the software asks us net scheme. Means do we want to apply the scheme of 0.20 with 2 quantity or not. If we select yes, then it will stay as it is, and if we set this to no, then this scheme won't be applied. Now we'll select yes and save this. So you see the option of my own scheme is such a beneficial option. So use this option to the fullest and share your ideas with us. Thank you.